I loved my lips. I love my lips.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so this is the first time I was able to create this amazing nude lips. Do you know how much I have wanted to create something like this, and it's always difficult. Okay, let me show you guys how I created these lips. This is a simple something anyway. Okay guys, so I used the Davis pencil. Can you even believe that? So I have been looking for a light brown shade. Like, it's not as if I've not seen a light brown shades. I have actually seen, but like, there's something I'm looking for. There's something I'm just like, let me just use Davis pencil and outline the lips. Like, let me use Davis pencil. Let me try with Davis pencil. And lo and behold, it was just popping on my. It was popping like. I was going. It was. I didn't believe it was actually going to like line like this. I was thinking it's going to be difficult, but it was just so perfect. Like, it just lined the lips so perfectly well. I was really amazed. So I'm just trying to outline my lips. Of course, I always overline. If you don't know that, I love a full lips. Like, I don't know, even if my lips is small or anything, or even if my lips is big, I love a full lips. So this is really stunning, because like, I didn't believe that I would be able to line something like this. So I'm just trying to, like, get into the my lips more with the brown shade. So guys, that just it. I'm just trying to line and just get everywhere and everything. Okay guys, so I'm just looking at what I did, and again after that I just begin to smudge out. I'm just trying to blend out even though like I don't know how this is going to be. I'm just trying. I want to achieve something perfect and nice. I'm just trying. I just said like anything that happens is going to happen. Okay guys, so I didn't believe that I could use like a pencil like and achieve an amazing lips. Okay, so I'm just trying. So I decided to use Fenty Beauty inside. Like, this is a gloss, right? And when I put it on, I was thinking that, oh, like, I looked at the shade. It was not covering, I have a red lips. So it was not covering my red lips at all. It was just gloss, just there. And that's not what I want. That's not what I want. So that's not what I want. It didn't give me, I don't even know I was talking to myself. So I had to use my wipes and clean it up, because that's not what I want, honestly. So I actually mixed some shades. So I think I showed the shades. So I mixed a concealer and the lip stain together. So I mixed this Juvia's Place concealer. This is Juvia's Place concealer. And equally, I mixed this concealer from, which brand is even this? Honestly, I'm going to be putting this in the description. And after mixing it, this is actually what I got. This nude shade. When I mix the two of them together, the second brand it has this orange, just like an orange shade actually. So when I mix the two of them together, this is what I achieved. And I'm just trying to, like, smudge them together. But one funny thing, that the mixture of the both of them is concealer and lip stain. So it's not as if it's not as thick, or even as the consistency is not like normal lip stains. So I'm just trying to blend it. I didn't even know the outcome, so I feel like it's too light. So I'm trying to still top up the orange shade to calm it down. I didn't want it to be too light. I wanted something new. I don't want it light. Like, I don't want something that will just come and be everywhere. I wanted something that is just normal, and everything is just going to pop and everything. Okay guys, so when I was done blending, I'm like, okay, let me now go ahead and add the gloss after all, and see if there's going to be any change. This is the Fenty gloss. So I'm just adding the gloss to see if there's going to be probably anything looking nice or whatever and all that. So I'm just adding my gloss, and yeah, I'm looking at this at this point. I was just looking at it, I'm like, this is actually making sense actually. So I think I'm just using my brush to just like brush around it, because I don't want to, yeah, I don't want everything, I don't want it to be too much. I'm just trying to control the portion and everything. And at this point guys, like, I'm just looking at these lips. Is this, why am I even adding a dot? I think it's pimple that is that, I'm just trying to add a dot where I have pimple. Like, I don't have any whatever there. Okay guys, like, I look at these lips. Can you even see, I looked at these lips. It looks amazing. It looks so natural and so simple. Like, I'm telling you, I'm definitely going to try these lips out again. What about you? What do you think about it?